guys, welcome back to a new video. So, back again with the board. I've had 2 new devices. So, as you can see, I swapped some devices around. Give you a hint, they're on this side. You guys know which one's new? You guys got it, I feel like. It's the FCI MS2 and the Chevron style Faraday, whatever. I have another one of these in metal. I mean, yeah, this one's metal, but it's like, this one's like real metal. That to pull it. It's pretty simple. I'll reset that later, but basically, what you do is, for all of these firearms, my system is pretty complex. To some people, trust me, it's not complex, but to me and to some people, it's pretty complex. So I'm just saying that because why not? Alright, I gotta sit down real quick for a second. I gotta do some. Okay, there we go. Go away. So this video is gonna be all the tones on the spectral alert. No, not spectral alert. I don't know why I keep on saying that. It's the system sensor P2r. So that is what I'm gonna be testing. So I'm gonna be testing all of the things, like all of the things. As you can see, there's the wiring, and those are your coding options. So there's nothing on it, and I guess let's test the first thing off with, I guess, this pull station. So let's pull it and hear the first sound. So that's that. Reset it. Okay. Now, I guess why not? Next, let's just test the drill switch feature because why not? I haven't tested it in a while. It works. Okay. Okay, so from 3 to 1, it's code 3, medium, high, low volume, low, medium, high volume, and that's what you just heard, code 3. And then from 6 to 4, it's continuous, which is it's low, medium, high volume. So right now, let's set it to code 3, medium volume. And just to let you guys know, on camera, it's not as loud, but really it's loud. So let's test on this. That's loud. Oh my goodness. Guess let's test this. Real alarm? Okay. Good. Okay, reset that. Okay. Okay, now let's change it. And yes, I know this is satisfying though, like, I know it's satisfying to just go, like, to do all of this. Like, I think you guys know what I mean, like, to do, oh my goodness, why won't this work? To do that. It's pretty satisfying. So it's set to 1. This is high, code 3. FCI MS6. Oh, that's loud. Oh, wow. Okay, let's do that. Okay, put that in. Bro, turn it and close it. Okay. Bro. Reset the control panel. Okay. Okay, let's set it to its continuous settings. So set it to 6, which is continuous low volume. So you guys will know what continuous is right when I push in and pull down. Listen, pull down. That's it. Yes, I know a lot of electricity is going through those wires right now. I'm just going to change it beforehand. Okay, do that fast. Okay, so now it's already set on its new function. So let's go with the FCI MS2. Oh, it's loud. Okay, let's reset this. So I have, since the key's stuck in there, I have to reset it with my fingers. It's a little difficult. Like just turn the knob with my fingers. Loudest setting. Oh no. Well, I guess eeny, meeny, miny, dog. Oh, hold on. I just forgot. Hold on. I know why it didn't work. If you guys were wondering why it didn't work, control panel sounds. Eeny, meeny, miny, dog. Pull the... That is loud. Like very, extremely loud. I know I said extremely. I know I said that. Just to let you know. It's extremely loud. I meant to say extremely, but yeah. Let's just send it to my normal code settings. That's the wiring. You guys wondering what my wiring and the sound looks like. And then, screw it back in because you guys already heard all the coding. And let's test this one more time. Oh. Good to know. Okay, and let's pull the fire alarm. Sound like this one. Oh my goodness. Hold on. I know why that didn't work. Hold on. I don't know. If I got a real control panel, bro, I don't know. Okay, let's test this. Okay, good to know. Okay, the control panel was silenced again. It's very annoying. Let's pull. Control panel is not silenced. What? Oh, I know why. So this pull station is actually broken in the back. So sometimes when I pull it, the button doesn't activate. So let's try it again. You see, I can just lift it back up. That's how I know that's broken again. So lift it back up. Okay, either way. For some reason it doesn't work. Let me see here. Okay, I guess that one just doesn't work. I have no idea why though. Let's go back. Go back into the mess of mess. Oh, that's why. Okay. Okay, guys, I'll fix this momentarily. It's just a simple wiring problem that is not in. The wiring in it was not in, so just gotta put it in. Okay, now it should work. Yeah, okay. That makes a lot of sense because sometimes that happens. Let's pull it. There it is. Okay, reset it. Do it key activate or pull it? Like hex one to activate it or pull it, or I guess key or whatever. Let's pull it. Okay, this one's pretty easy to say. I don't really need the sound signal control panel. Well, yeah, that's it for this video. See you guys next video. Bye, guys. Oh!